Good morning and welcome to the Daily Weather Operations Brief. Starting us out today, seeing many upper level clouds streaming in overhead, along with some light southwesterly winds, and we should see those winds shifting south-southwesterly as we move through the afternoon. Overall, should see dry conditions persisting with elevated dew points as we move through the day, so that should make for a hot and humid day, especially in those mid-afternoon hours. Now, taking a look at the radar out there, currently looking free of any reflectivity, precipitation, or lightning in the immediate area. Again, expecting that to remain the case through the working hours of today. Might see a slight chance, a very slight chance of a pop-up shower over the peninsula, but overall, generally speaking, we should remain dry. Taking a look at this morning surface analysis chart here, we can see that high pressure is currently centered well offshore, and that is inducing some southwesterly flow across the region, leading to these elevated temperatures and humidity values that we'll see for the remainder of the day. Conditions, as I mentioned earlier, do look to remain mostly dry. The low-end chances of a midday shower and some low-end chances of showers and thunderstorms developing later in the evening into the early morning hours of tomorrow. And as we move in tomorrow, we'll see those overall rain chances slowly increase, and that will continue through a majority of the day as we see some upper-level flows shifting northwesterly and a series of upper-level disturbances moving through the area, which is going to stir up some activity over much of Virginia, and we'll see just scattered activity in general. Currently out on the field, seeing a layer of broken clouds up around 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibility. You might see some mid-level clouds building in throughout the afternoon. Should be rather sparse as far as that coverage goes. As far as our winds, looking at a southwesterly wind right now with winds coming in at 5 to 10 knots, temperature sitting at 77, and a relative humidity of 75%, and that is decreasing through the day. Looking at our satellite here, we can see those upper level clouds streaming through, and that does look to be the trend for the next 24 hours. Seeing plenty of coverage at those upper levels. And then looking at the model for today, this is the NAM high-resolution model with a 24-hour loop plane. You can see here approaching from the west, those scattered showers building in, especially after midnight, looking like those chances are then going to start increasing at a more noticeable rate. And throughout the day, again, looking to remain dry for today. And that will bring us on to the 24-hour forecast for the working day ahead. And tomorrow morning, we see temperatures climbing into the upper 80s, low 90s, seeing relative humidity dropping throughout the day. Not to say that it won't still be humid out there. And we'll see cloud coverage building in as we move into tomorrow morning, when we see those slight rain chances start really building into the forecast. And along with those rain chances, we will see the chance of some lightning within the 10, and our ceilings increasing slightly as well. Ceilings decreasing slightly as well. Might see some low-level coverage there. And for the winds, look to be highest at our current time, and with a general but slow downwards trend expected throughout the day. And looking at the next 2 days here out on the shore, on Saturday, looking to be mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of 82 degrees, a good chance of that rain during the day and into the evening. And for Saturday night, mostly cloudy, those chances of showers and thunderstorms once again in the low around 70, and then Sunday partly to mostly cloudy and seeing a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms lingering, especially in the early portions of the morning. And we should see those ceilings clearing out as well after Sunday morning and the Saturday night time frame. Overall, we do have some unsettled weather over the next 48 hours, and then we'll see an improving trend as we move into the week ahead. And that's going to conclude the daily weather operations brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock with your 7-day outlook, and hope everyone has a great Friday and a wonderful remainder of their day.